Well. Hello there, beautiful and lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. What a beautiful nature is it? And the sound of the rain fever bird, I guess. इसको rain fever bird ही बोलते हैं. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down. आज को जो टॉपिक है ये नेचर नहीं है, लेकिन आज का जो टॉपिक है वो ये है. So wherever there is software, there is all this hardware, or wherever there is hardware, there is the software. And, whenever both these come together, there are always some bugs in the system. Now, how to remove these bugs? Correct? We usually reset them. और अगर कुछ माइनर बग्स है तो वो चले जाता है. तो इसमें भी कुछ छोटे मोटे सॉफ्टवेयर बग्स हैं. छोटे मोटे जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर बग्स हैं वो मैं कभी और किसी और वीडियो में दिखा दूंगा. बट आई सर्च द इंटरनेट एंड सिंस आई ओन अ सिंपल वन, I didn't knew actually how to reset this for minor software errors. So first of all, I called my service center and they told me to press the right hand side brake, the center button that's over here, and the reverse button. These three pressed at one single time for 20 seconds and that's it. The scooter gets resetted. Yeah. So reset होने के बाद मालूम कैसा पड़ता है कि ये सच में reset हुआ है. So once we turn on the system once again, the animation is changed to a different level. So जब वो स्टार्ट होती है तो एक एनिमेशन होता है. अगर वो रीसेट होके स्टार्ट हो रही है then the animation at the starting time is completely different. Let me show you what's the animation, I mean the usual way. So that's what the screen shows when the scooter turns on. That's the sound. Simple का कुछ ही आया and that's it. Finished. Now let me turn off some things to prove that the system has been reset. So what can I do? I will do some things in connectivity. Let me turn this off. Okay, and some more things like welcome light ये भी ऑफ कर देंगे. Please ignore my dirty scooter. I'll turn this off. I'll turn the exit light also in off position and that's it. So time to reset the scooter. So to reset it, I will have to first of all turn off the system. स्कूटर को ऑफ करना है. स्कूटर को ऑफ करने के बाद I will have to press the right hand side brake, the center button and the reverse button for 20 seconds. So I will do this for 20 seconds and continue the video. Yeah. So I needed both my hands to do the combination of pressing the brake lever. Wow, ये bird तो बहुत ही प्यारा है. Okay, so I basically needed both my hands to do this combination of pressing the button, the front brake and center button and the reverse button, all three at a time for 20 seconds. And now I have completed the same and let's see what it gives like. So अगर मैं इसको अभी ऑन करूँगा and if the reset is successful, the scooter should show something like this. It will take a bit more time to turn the system on. Yeah, that's the animation confirmed if the scooter is reset. तो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा अगर ये स्कूटर सक्सेसफुली रीसेट हुआ है. In today's video, natural music would be the only thing. So yeah, that's the second part of the animation during the boot up process, and it says simply starting, and it will make this sound. And that's it. So अभी अगर हम सिस्टम में जाएंगे, जो भी ऑफ हुआ था, आई मीन जो भी मैंने ऑफ करके रखा था इन कस्टमाइजेशन सेटिंग्स एंड ऑल, it will be turned on again. See, so that's the proof of simple one getting successfully reset. So अगर आपका स्कूटर कुछ छोटी मोटी तकलीफ़ें दे रहा हो, then you can reset the simple one in the given manner. और एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. So you have to press the right hand side brake lever, the center button and the reverse button for 20 seconds in switch off position. That's all folks for the today's video. If you like the same, please do give it a thumbs up, like karo, share karo, subscribe karo, share the same with your friends and family. And if someone has a simple one, अगर कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो या कोई आपके घर में है जो सिंपल वन यूज़ कर रहा है, and if they are complaining about some minor software bugs, do give it a try by resetting your scooter, and let me know the same in the comments down below. So yeah, that was all about the today's video. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you.